Jonathan, tell us about Monolith Software, what you're showcasing at this year's event, and the impact you're having on carrier customers.
So at the event this year, we're showcasing Monolith 4. It's the next version of Monolith software that's coming out. Monolith software is a unified service assurance product. So what we're doing is we're taking fault information, performance information, topology information, so the relationships between devices, services, and customers. We're normalizing all of that information, storing it into a single database, all with a single code-based product. And then we can serve it out through dashboards or portals or reports that are emailed to customers, and provide service level management, end-to-end monitoring, single pane of glass views, all within the single instance of Monolith. So wireless, so 4G, business carrier Ethernet, IPTV, all of those services that run on a common infrastructure can be monitored for their KPIs and their KQIs. They can be enabled to be alerted proactively for customer experience management, providing portals for their customers into the services that are being delivered to them. All of that within a single instance of Monolith. And so we're showcasing that. The big news that we had yesterday was the big win at Aircom, which is a national carrier in Ireland, with our systems integration partner AirTech. We're replacing IBM NetCool, InfoVista, and EMC Smarts. And it's an exciting project. And we're doing 4G IPTV there, as well as a number of other services, all within that single instance of Monolith. So we can really provide the unified service assurance capability necessary for CEM, for better customer experiences, provided to the operations teams, and enabling them to embed their intelligence and how they run their network and how they manage their devices and services and how they want to provide their products to their customers.
What are some of the challenges in today's environment, gathering all that data and really looking at things from layer 1 to layer 4? What makes this environment unique, and how are you actually able to deliver that solution?
So it's very difficult. There are a number of different vendors, and there's a number of legacy systems that have been out there for years, and so you're not really dealing with greenfield situations and networks. You're having to incorporate a lot of history, a lot of investments and infrastructures that have been built. The advantage of Monolith is we have an open standards approach to integration. We're built on the LAMP stack. We use standards-based languages for how we do integrations into other tools and systems. So Monolith can really come in, sit on top, and leverage what's already there and existing at a telecommunications company or a large enterprise. And we can start to enhance the information that comes out of those systems and correlate between the different systems and provide functionality that's missing to service providers. And then it can be up to the service provider themselves how they can then transition and align operations to the business services that they provide.
Can you help me, maybe, you talked about Aircom a few minutes ago, and maybe you give me some other examples, but can you maybe help me quantify the impact on the bottom line you'll have with the carrier?
So the bottom line at Aircom is going to be some fairly significant TCO savings across the board, because they'll be retiring somewhere upwards of 100 different instances of tools and replacing that with just the one instance of Monolith. So that's not only enormous cost savings in maintenance to the other products, but it's better aligning of people and processes to be more efficient, less hardware, less data center power. All of those things are going to be cost savings and the impact for Aircom.
How long will it take to deploy a solution?
So at Aircom, they're full speed ahead, so I think we're looking there to have everything implemented within a few months from the initial start of the project. And then that would complete a phase 1, and a phase 2 would be a few months after that, as they start to align in different job roles and how you're going to be more efficient in managing Monolith. So the strength of Monolith is, we can come in, and adapt to your current operations environment and allow you to plan how you want to operate your network, or how ideally, because you're now freed up from the legacy systems that locked you into a certain way of doing things.
Thanks for your time.
Thank you.